first strategy suggestion ko lang. I think this is where kayang-kaya naman and like no problem. You don't if you have to pee. No. Let me clarify that. No.
Para, kasi ito jive eh. Jive naman yun.
Isa-isa muna before.
Ako naman. Isa-isa lang. Guys, walang nagkakaintindihan kasi ang daming nagsasalita. And sorry, I appreciate that you want to lead us, but let...
Yeah, and I'm not a leader right now. I'm also suggesting. Don't
Yeah,
think
but
of me as a leader.
sometimes kasi you overstep.
I hope,
As early as, I hope you don't
sorry, I'm
take it
sorry.
in a wrong way. I just want us, like,
yeah, I
parang
know.
okay lang.
Pero I'm raising my hand as a, don't think of...
Everyone po kasi, kuya, will be able to understand. Someone's trying to speak, medyo kinakat po niya. Parang give way din to others.
Yeah,
Hindi po gusto niya ring mag-help, gusto niya rin magbigay ng ideas, and syempre